Attendance management system. Attendance management system using the face recognition. What are the abstract of attendance management system using face recognition is that the whole almost the whole world is connected to the internet, where all the devices are connected to the internet, which is making the work more easy for the people. Many of the devices are being developed using the Internet of Things. Here, mainly yeah, for the attendance management system using face recognition, it mainly developed using capturing image processing and machine learning. The system is enacted to form a classroom attendance that uses the concept of um, face recognition. As manually taking the attendance is becoming more time consuming and cumbersome to keep the attendance checkup properly and updated, we are using a Firebase cloud for the attendance management system using face recognition, where in the Firebase cloud all the students details are stored in the Firebase clouds. As soon as the student enters as soon as the student enters, the face is recognized by the system is and is all the available data which has been stored through the training of the images, so and his attendance will be marked. This system is designed and developed using the Python language. Under the Python language, we are using LBPH algorithm, and it also uses tkinter for GUI and Firebase for the database. Firebase for the database, as I said before, all the details will be stored. All the student details will be stored in a database that is the Firebase cloud. Next, when we are speaking about the objectives, there are mainly three objectives, which is very important. It spots the presence of the attendance and provides the timing of the attendance mark. As I said that the student only this as soon as the student enters on the spot, he can mark up the attendance, and more important thing is that the time will be also marked, which is very important for the while taking the attendance for the when something fraud happens, the timing and the face recognition, which is very helpful for to find the thief, another someone who has done the fraud. And next is that capable of storing the maximum report and no need of manual attendance. That is that in the manual book there can be a limit, that is the thousand or something. Only the student details can be stored, and the students can and the students mark up the attendance. But here there is no limit, the maximum record as much as the records can be stored here. In the manual attendance, both students and teachers will be responsible for the attendance, but here only the students will be responsible for marking their own attendance. And when we are next speaking about the how to log in into this process, that is module of the system, that is student login, image training, and that and all after all this the students will be stored in the Firebase cloud. Student login is the process where the email id and password will be taken by the student, and an OTP will be generated to it, and it asks for the furthermore details like phone number, name, address, everything. After this process is done, there will be a one more process, that is image training. It takes around 50 images, and it trains the images, that is it takes in all the angles. That is one someone after taking this image, some boys can shave their beard, shave their head, but and some people we even they may wear the mask. But here the attendance management using face recognition takes in all the angles, and so that there will be no further issues when even they shave their head nor beard, nor when they're when making the and where they're wearing the mask. But still, um one eye takes in all the angles. If one of the angle is matching among these 50 images, then the attendance will be marked. And the fire-based clouds. And fire-based clouds, as I said before, all the students' data will be stored here. And this is a website for the attendance management system using face recognition. Attendance, automatic attendance and displayed attendance. As I said, on the spot, the attendance will be marked and for the students, and you can check the update of the and you can check the update of the attendance, and you can evaluate the attendance. And displayed displayed attendance in the sense where this attendance, the students attendance will be given to the um, teachers, and they can keep the update of the student. And when we are speaking next, we are speaking about the context level. That is the it is between the students and the faculty, where both of them will be logging into this system. And even after once the logging is done, uh, as I said before, webcam, that is capturing the images, and it once the student enters, the his image will be captured and it will be given to the system by the webcam. And where the and this system provides the provides the reports for the teachers, and this system is managed only by the teachers, and wholly it will be wholly this will be managed by the that is main of the college, not the student, that is the principal, not the chairman of the school or college. Next, how to log in into this system. First, you have to enter your mail and password. Once the student enters his mail and password, OTP will be generated to the mail of the student, and so from there you can successfully log in into this system. After logging into the system, as I said before, once the registration is done, student can pick up the attendance, and he can view the attendance on the spot, so that he can calculate the furthermore classes he has to attend, and how many students he can drop, something like that. And so that is I will be know that students will be knowing the percentage of his attendance on the spot, and he can exit. This process takes only this process takes only the fraction of this takes in seconds for marking up the attendance. When we are taking it manually, it consumes more time and is cumbersome. As I said, that the teachers can't mark up all the students attendance, and there will be something fraud, some mistakes might happen. But here regular update and proper update will be given, the face recognition using the face recognition management system. Next is that what are the conclusion on what conclusion is that it is compared to the fingerprint and retina scanning, it is more easier and convenient. What will be the outcomes of this are it reduces the fraud. It the system with the face recognition, it is very difficult for someone to sign in as another falsely sign in as another person, so that there will be no fraud. And if there is a fraud also, the eh, as I said before, time will be marked, and image will be captured. It is very easy to find the fraud, and it is also time consuming. The system is automatically recorded without the need of manually signing. There is no need of manually signing again and again. Once the student enters, his or face will be captured and attendance will be marked. This reduces both teachers as well as the staff's time. This is more time saving. This is more time saving system. Next is remote monitoring. Remote monitoring, some system allows for remote monitoring of attendance, which is helpful for the remote learning as well as remote working scenarios. And we can use this technology in all in other ways as well. This is easier and convenient system compared to the other system. And so the attendance management system is using the face recognition, which is very important and useful and easy method of marking the attendance. Thank you.